Hi everyone, welcome to our fourth weight lesson. I hope you got on okay yesterday with your weighing task and I hope you had a lot of fun with it. How many of your guesses were right? So yesterday we were looking at different types of scales that can help us to weigh things like balance scales, kitchen scales and bathroom scales. Today we're going to be looking more at how to read the scales and to work out what weight things are. What weight is the arrow pointing to? What do you think? So our scale here is going up in 1 gram. So it's jumping up 1 gram each time. All the way up to 10 grams. So let's have a look. Where is my arrow pointing? It is pointing to 6 grams. I'm making sure to write my G at the back so that everyone knows I'm writing about grams and not octopuses. What weight is my arrow pointing to now? What do you think? That's right, it's pointing to 3 grams. My scale is now going up in twos. Do you see that? It's jumping up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Where is my arrow pointing? That's right, it's pointing to 2 grams. What weight is my arrow pointing to now? We can work this out, boys and girls. I know there is not a number here, but we can work it out. So we know that our scale is jumping up in twos. But there are also lines here that we can fill out. So we've got 0, something, and then 2. What would come in between these two? That's right, it would be 1. What would come between 2 and 4? That's right, it would be 3. What would come between 4 and 6? That's right, it would be 5. What would come between 6 and 8? That would be 7. And what would come between 8 and 10? That's right, 9. Well done. So, by us working this out, we can see what number it is pointing to now. So what is the weight that it's pointing to? That's right, 5 grams. Well done. I have another different scale here. This scale is jumping up in 5, so we're going from 0 to 5, from 5 to 10. Where is my arrow pointing? What weight is it pointing at? That's right, it's pointing at 10 grams. What weight is my arrow pointing at now? Again, there is not any numbers written here. But we can work it out, boys and girls. So we've got 0 here. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Then it goes to 5 grams. If we're jumping up in 5s and there's 4 lines, we can fill this out, boys and girls. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, then it goes to 5. What weight is my arrow pointing at? That's right, 4 grams. Well done. Let's write the weight that the arrow is pointing to. So our scale is jumping up in tens. We go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way up to 100 grams. Where is my arrow pointing? So my arrow is pointing to 20 grams. And that is my answer. And I'm remembering to put my G or G at the end so that people know that I'm talking about grams and not horses. What weight is this arrow pointing to? Again, we're jumping up in tens. So our arrow is pointing to 90. And I am remembering to put my G at the end so that people know I'm speaking about grams. I have a different scale now. This scale is going up in hundreds. So we're going 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, all the way up to 800 grams. Where is my arrow pointing? That's right, it is pointing to 100. What would I write at the back of it? A G. Well done. So that people know I'm speaking about grams and not horses. What weight is my arrow pointing to now? What do you think? That's right, it's pointing to 800 grams. My scale is slightly different again. So this scale is measuring in kilograms instead of grams. Where is my arrow pointing? That's right, it's pointing to 5 kilograms. What would I write at the back of it? That's right, K and a G, so that people know I'm speaking about kilograms instead of grams. What weight is my arrow pointing at now? That's right, it's pointing to 7 kilograms. How much do my apples weigh? That's right, they weigh 3 kilograms. How much does my poppy weigh? That's right, it weighs 4 kilograms. Well done. How heavy are my weights? That's right, they are 25 kilograms. How heavy is my zebra? That's right, it is 300 kilograms. For today's task, I have uploaded this Word document with a link to the Mostly Posty game. In this game, you have to help the postman weigh his packages. So you click on the package, put it onto the scale, and then you write down where the arrow is pointing, so what weight the package is. So this package is 400 grams. So you would click 400, check. And that means it's correct. Have fun playing this game.